We are back.
Come on.
Oh! 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 Oh. Cat. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. With the bucket of softballs. Oh my god. Stubien isn't giving up either. Oh no! Oh, chokeslam right onto the chair. Oh, that doesn't feel good at all.
You like chokeslam, Stubien?
Oh, come on. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. All four men have to be dead right now. Ooh.
Come on.
Oh my god. Oh, pop a powerbomb right onto the couch. Oh my god.
Come on.
One. Oh my god, and Gavin breaks up the pin. Okay, I guess. I don't know how to.
Hey, I cashed in. It's a 1-fall now. You don't even deserve this match. Don't you remember? I'm not doing it. Remember when I pinned you? Like, oh!
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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Von Nub is annihilating Hutchins right now. Oh. Oh my. Oh my god. Cage back into control. Oh my god, off the ladder right onto Von Nub. Oh my god, right off the back of Hutchins. Stubien is still down. Gavin and Cage talking plans. What they should do next and how. Stubien's getting up.
Some of this.
Oh. Oh my god, right off the back of Gavin.
Mine now. What?
Oh, Von Nub's out. Gavin's out, so it's just these two left. Oh. Oh my god, another pop-up. 1, 2, 3. Oh my. What? 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 What's that? Are you kidding me? Gavin Hutchins. Oh. Gavin is shocked. And then Stubien just... Oh my god. Oh. What? Well, your new hardcore champion, Kevin Hutchins.
I like this.
Oh my god. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. One match has ended. The other never ended, so Von Nub versus Cage still, yes, it is still going on. We had an unexpected 2 matches in 1. So this would be part 3 out of the... Oh my god. So I guess this title is for nothing, or... Oh, and look who shows up.
How you doing? How you doing today, Jimmy?
No, that's all good.
I thought you were a camera guy.
I am a camera guy.
I thought you were a Grant too.
I'm a Grant too.
Can you not choose?
I'm a Grant.
Can't choose.
No, I can't choose. Oh my... Stubien can leave right now.
I mean, he could, but is he going to? No.
Does he even know how to win the match?
And did you tell him how?
I did in the opening segment. I mean... Oh. Oh my god. No, Stubien's just beating Gavin with the chair. Oh. Oh my god, with the big. Oh my god, the big splash from Von Nub. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my. Oh. Oh, here comes Gavin to save the day. And there's Hudgens just watching in the back. Oh my. Oh. Oh my.
Look, Jimmy, that took a lot longer than expected. Because I got another mouse to do tonight. So, like...
Well, do you want this back? Here, take that.
So this is mine again, huh? No, I don't want this again.
Okay, you don't want it?
On this.
Oh, and Von Nub's leaving in the process. Oh my god.
There's no way.
No way.
No way.
Von Nub.
Von Nub just won. Von Nub. Stubien.
Von Nub just won. And if it wasn't for this man right here, we could have another different new hardcore champion in Stubien Von Nub. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. And one man stands tall over the rest, and that is Kevin Hudgens. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.